I have a patient who has had a difficulty in their blood sugar stabilization, their thyroid, lack of energy. All that has completely changed with our Zeal product in about 10 days.
My husband and I have been on Zeal for about 2 weeks, and he lost 10 pounds in 4 days. But my personal story, and we're both very, very excited about Zeal. I've had back pain since I was in high school, and it's gotten progressively worse. And we have 4 children. And my last pregnancy, about 7 months ago, I had to have my mom come help me for a good portion of my pregnancy because I could not walk hardly at all. After I took it about 6-7 days ago, Zeal, the end of the day, that first day, I realized I wasn't limping. And I have been for a good while. And now, I feel really, really good. My back's getting better. Most of the time, it doesn't even hurt. And probably won't be going back to my chiropractor.
I started on Zeal in January, and I've got a burst of energy. I'm 70 years old, and I usually am in pretty good shape. But I noticed it right away. I also have better mental clarity in my hair and skin. I believe I'm having new hair come in.
I'll tell you what, for years and years I've been fighting arthritic joint pain and pain from some previous surgeries, so much so that I was having to take the maximum dosage of Aleve, and it had been so long that I was really getting concerned at what I was doing to my liver. And started on Zeal in January. It's been almost 4 months now. Within 8 to 10 days, I saw a dramatic difference in my pain level. In fact, so much so that my pain is gone, and in 4 months, I've not had to take one Aleve. Zeal has truly been a blessing.
About 6 years ago, come July, I had a massive case of shingles, and all of them eventually healed up but one. I had one spot on my abdominal, just below my rib cage, and it burned. And the only way I can explain it is if you've ever been stung by a wasp, it's what it felt like 24/7. Some days more, sometimes less, but it was always burning. After I went to Dallas for the pre-launch, we started taking the Zeal, Phyllis and I did, and then I don't know if and I really don't know the day that it went away. I just woke up one morning on a Saturday. Phyllis and I were talking. We were lying in bed just planning our day and what we were going to do, and I became aware that I wasn't burning, and it had totally gone away. After I talked to the office today, Shelley had called and said, would I be on the call? I started looking to locate the spot, and the spot is completely gone. So I just am very excited about what Zeal can do for your body once you get the right nutrition in it. So
I'm a dentist, and I practice here in Dallas for many, many years. And I have seen a huge, very incredible difference in the healing of my patients. In that healing, it is becoming, over the last few weeks, very predictable, and that's what I was waiting for Zeal. I'm excited because my extraction patients are healing 2 to 3 weeks earlier and faster than normal so that we can complete their dentures. My root canal patients are no longer needing extra pain medication.